A sweet dish renders sweetness to the taste buds as well as to the mind. And moreover, when the dish that we consume is healthy, it even benefits the body in total. Therefore, in today's episode, we wish to share a easy, healthy and tasty sweet dish, jackfruit idli. Without any further ado, let's get cooking. And by the way, welcome to our channel Ooru, Oota, Upahara. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. Here we have taken about 250 grams of dosa rice, washed it and then sun dried it thoroughly beforehand. We have to grind this dosa rice with the help of a flour mill or a mixer grinder into a grainy powder. After grinding the rice, we are taking about 300 grams or 1.5 cups of jackfruit into a mixer grinder. And then we are adding 2 tablespoons of jaggery. After the jaggery comes about 50 grams or half a cup of grated coconut. Let us grind this thoroughly into a fine paste without adding any water. And now let us take this ground mixture into a mixing bowl. And it is time to add the powdered dosa rice into this mixture. Final ingredient to our recipe is king of taste, Mr. Salt. All we need is a little salt for the recipe. Let us give this all a good mix. If you feel there is a requirement to add water, then you can add a little water to this. Be very cautious of adding water because more water can make idlis come out hard. And the next step is to add the batter little by little to the aluminium cups smeared with ghee. And by the way, a pro tip here is idlis made in aluminium cups always come out good. But the usage of aluminium cups is definitely a personal preference. And now the final step is to steam these in a idli steamer for about 30 to 40 minutes. This is it, my dear friends. In no time, we have tasty and healthy jackfruit idlis. A little bit of ghee to the final dish will leave you with memories on your taste buds. If you like this video and the recipe, then like this video and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking and have fun wherever you are.